Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech reviews. Today we have something special for you, the TECNO Phantom P Fold. If you haven't heard of TECNO, they are a leading international smart device brand with a presence in over 70 countries worldwide. TECNO has always focused on budget devices for developing markets, and this strategy has helped them become top-selling smartphone brand in Africa. But now, TECNO is taking a bold step forward with the Phantom P Fold. It is their flagship foldable device designed to compete with industry's best. We are excited to review this device, which comes with impressive specs and attractive price points. TECNO is aiming to make it the one foldable out there for all. TECNO Phantom P Fold has a sleek design and it's packed with features that will leave you impressed. When it comes to the TECNO Phantom P Fold display, it is hard to ignore the unique 7.85-inch AMOLED screen. It's almost square with 4:3.55 aspect ratio, which is not something you see every day. Once you get past the unusual shape, you'll be blown away with its impressive resolution of 2296 by 2000 pixels, resulting in around 388 pixels per inch. This screen is also adaptive, allowing it to adjust its refresh rate between 10 to 120 Hz based on the content being displayed. This result is smoother and more responsive, whether you are scrolling through social media or playing games. But what sets this screen apart is its vibrant and crisp color. The AMOLED technology used by TECNO delivers deep black and vivid color that make everything on the screen pop. Then you'll be able to see every detail in your photos, in your videos, and games, making it a truly immersive experience. Of course, the one downside of the TECNO Phantom P Fold's unique form factor is the bump between the screen when it is folded. This is a small price to pay for such a cutting-edge device. We think the TECNO P Fold screen is one of the best out there and worth checking out. One of the things to note about the TECNO Phantom P Fold display is that the laminate layer protecting the screen is highly reflective. This means that using this device under direct sunlight can be a bit challenging, as you may struggle to see the screen. The outer screen of the Phantom P Fold is coated with Corning Gorilla Glass pictures, which is one of the toughest glass available on the market. This ensures that your device can withstand accidental drops and scratches without causing any damage to the screen. Under the hood, the TECNO Phantom P Fold boasts an impressive 12 gigs of memory, the maximum that the Dimensity 9000 Plus processor can support. This translates into a blazing fast memory speed. In addition to this, the device also comes equipped with memory fusion technology. This is a popular feature among high-end smartphones. This technology allows for an addition of 9 gigs of application cache, making the device even faster and more responsive when running multiple apps at once. All in all, the combination of the powerful Dimensity 9000 Plus processor and the sufficient memory made the TECNO Phantom P Fold a true powerhouse, capable of handling even the most demanding apps and games with ease. The TECNO Phantom P Fold runs on the TECNO very own operating system, the HRS 13 Fold, which is based on Android 13. This custom skin is quite heavy and takes a clue from Apple and Xiaomi by separating the notification shield and quick setting. This is something that most users can easily get used to. In terms of functionality, the HRS Fold brings all the features and the ability that the modern ROMs offer. The primary camera is a 50 megapixel shooter with a custom night sensor, which is designed to capture stunning low light photos with ease. There is also a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, which is great for taking portrait and zooming in on distant objects. Rounding out the camera setup is a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens, which is perfect for capturing landscape and group photos. Overall, the camera setup on the TECNO Phantom P Fold is quite impressive and offers a lot of versatility for users who love taking photos and videos on their smartphone. Compared to other foldable smartphones in the market, the TECNO Phantom P Fold comes with a significantly larger 5000 mAh battery. This provides the user with plenty of power to get through even the occupied days without having to worry about running out of juice. Additionally, the TECNO Fold supports 45-watt fast charging, which is much faster than many other smartphones in this class. This means that users can quickly top up their device and get back to using them in no time. One notable omission is the lack of wireless charging support. While this may not be a deal breaker for some users, it is worth noting for those who prefer the convenience of the wireless charging. Overall, the battery and charging capability of the Phantom Folds are impressive and should satisfy needs for most users. Without a doubt, the TECNO Phantom Fold is one of the most impressive smartphones that the brand has ever released. It boasts a unique and eye-catching design as well as some genuinely innovative camera hardware that set it apart from many of its competitors. And perhaps the most remarkable thing is the price point. Returning at around $1,100, the Phantom Fold offers exceptional value for money compared to other foldable phones in the market. So if you're in the market for a foldable device that offers a high degree of performance and functionality, all while coming in at a relative affordable price point, the TECNO Fold is worth considering. Alright, what do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, like this video. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime we drop another amazing video. Alright, that's the news, and catch you guys in the next one.